Hey dolls and gents, I just finished filming a makeup tutorial on this look. I will leave a card up top if you're interested in checking that video out. And I just showed you how I styled this wig that I made using hair extensions from Maxglam. I'm rocking their raw Indian hair. I'm rocking 3 bundles, 20, 18, 16 plus a 14-inch lace closure. I put it in a side party and I decided to straighten it. When you see what the wig looks like before I styled it, you're going to be like, girl, how'd you get to here? But I'm showing you every single step that I did. If you are interested in checking out these hair extensions, I will leave a link down below to Maxglam's website, as well as any coupon codes that I may have for you guys. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to click the subscribe button down below and also hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you want to see how I styled this hair today, you know what to do. Stay tuned, guys. So I just finished making a wig using hair extensions from Maxglam. This is their raw Indian hair. They sent me 3 bundles plus a lace closure. I have in 20, 18, 16 plus a 14-inch lace closure. So this is what the hair looks like after being co-washed and just letting it air dry. So I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. So I haven't added an elastic band or anything to this unit. I also haven't tweezed the closure either. Just seeing kind of what I want to do with it, because this is shorter than I normally go. Y'all know I normally don't do 20 inches. But I think I want to straighten this hair. I did already bleach the knots on the lace closure though. Yeah, I think I'm going to put it to the side so I can do like a deep side part, and I think I'm going to straighten this hair. Is that what I want to do? Do I want to straighten the hair? I don't know. I'm going to go ahead and part the hair. I do want to do a side parting. I didn't mold any parting when I washed the hair, so I'm going to have to mold this parting, because it is just all over the place right now. So I'm going to take my hot comb and go over this parting. And I always get questions about what hot comb I use. I will link it down below for you guys. I also like to use the back side of the comb to really get my parting flat. So next I'm going to part my hair in like 2 sections. Then I'm going to take this section and get it out the way. Then I'm going to pull a section from the back and I'm going to start straightening this hair. So I'm going to use my Color Ion Titanium Flat Iron. I believe this is a 1-inch plate and I have it on the highest setting, which is 450 degrees. And I like to chase my flat iron with a comb. I first comb it through, then I take my flat iron and I chase it. And the smaller sections you take, the better your hair is going to look. But if you don't have a lot of time, you don't have to take it in sections. But like I said, it's going to look better the smaller the section. So as you can see, I haven't added any product, but this hair has a nice sheen. Once you straighten it, it looks really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and flat iron the rest of the hair. I'm going to fast forward through it for you guys, and I'll come back with the final results. So next I'm going to take my Care styling wax stick, and y'all see all these little flyaway hairs? We are about to tame those babies. And then I like to take my comb and just go through it. Y'all see how that just takes care of the flyaways? So bomb. Y'all saw how that parting was looking before. Give your girl her props, okay? I'm so silly. So I'm going to take the hot comb one more time and just go over the parting. Just to make sure this baby is as laid as possible. So I don't think I need to do any baby hairs today. I'm not going to do any baby hairs. I could have went in and tweezed that parting a little bit more, but I think that it looks good. I didn't even add any foundation to the lace and it looks good, but I want to add some in my parting. So I'm going to take the same powder that I used for my makeup today, which is the Clinique Perfectly Real Compact. And I'm just going to put this in the parting. So here is the finished look. I think we just got this hair all the way together. What do you think? You can let me know in the comments section down below. If you're interested in checking out these hair extensions, don't forget to click the link down below to check out Maxglam. I will have their website information down below, as well as any coupon codes that I may have for you guys. So this is the first day that I've rocked the hair, so I can't really tell you the quality over time, but this hair feels really great. As soon as I straighten the hair, it looked super like shiny and just really healthy. It was very easy to straighten, very easy to deal with. I've had minimal shedding and minimal tingling from just styling this hair, but I will definitely rock these hair extensions for a while, and I'll come back and let you know what I think about it per usual. If you want to see more hair tutorials like this, give your girl a big thumbs up, and I will catch y'all in my next video. By the way, if you have not already watched my last hair tutorial, be sure to click the box right here and it will take you straight to it.